I'm back, yes. Me? What? You got that right. I'm back. Into YouTube. As you can see, the red is actually faded a lot to where it's like brownish at the bottom. But no, we're not gonna do another hair video that's red. I got me some blonde. Okay, so you might be wondering why I have a bag. Guys, I don't want to dye my short hair that I have here. If it'll work. It actually did work a little bit. This is what my hair looks like. Okay, now that I got my mask on, I hope this is not going to be a mistake. Can you see my hair? You see how much colors there is? Oh wait, what's a good angle? Because I don't know if you can see me, but you know, just put it on there. Yeah, I should have wrote my name, huh? Does that look like something? I don't know. I just look like I don't know what I'm doing. Does that look like sky? I hope it does. I think I did a good job on that. I'm not really trying to hit the roots. It definitely smells. But the mask helps a little bit with that. I just go like this. Crazy. Do I have any? Do I have it all? I got it all. Hair's already falling out. Oh boy. The blonde is going to be way blonder at the bottom. My blonde bottom is way lighter than everything else. Is it doing anything? I don't know. I'll continue. Now that it is in all the way, what it looks like. I'm going to let this sit for 25 minutes and then wash it out. Well, this is how my hair turned out. Look. It's darker. My hair's darker. The tip's darker. Tips are definitely darker for some reason. Don't know what happened. I actually kind of like it. That is my video. Peace out.